Welcome to Reactive AI, your front row seat to the future of intelligence. We break down the biggest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, from OpenAI's newest models to the AI arms race shaping the tech world. If you want sharp insights, zero fluff, and a pulse on where AI is really headed, you're in the right place. If you're ready to explore the AI realm with me, hit us with a like and let's dive in. Discover how ChatGPT o3 transforms productivity with epic automation features. If you thought ChatGPT was already useful, you haven't seen anything yet. With the release of ChatGPT o3, OpenAI has turned its flagship chatbot into something far more powerful, a fully capable AI workflow assistant. This isn't just about faster responses or better writing. This is about true automation, where your AI can remember, plan, and carry out complex tasks on its own, with little to no prompting. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, student, or simply someone looking to get more done with less effort, ChatGPT o3 has just redefined what's possible with AI. Let's explore what makes o3 such a productivity beast and why it may be the most transformative update to date. OpenAI's GPT models have come a long way since the release of GPT-3. We've seen improvements in logic, creativity, coding, reasoning, and yes, conversation. But o3 marks a fundamental shift in functionality. This version introduces agentic behavior, meaning it can act more like an AI agent than just a text generator. In other words, GPT no longer just talks to you, it works for you. And that's thanks to several new features built into o3 that focus on workflow automation, task scheduling, and tool usage. One of the most exciting additions to o3 is the smart scheduling system found under settings greater than tasks in ChatGPT. Users can now automate common tasks like writing social posts, generating reports, drafting weekly emails, or analyzing files, and schedule them to run automatically at specific times. You can think of it like Google Calendar meets Zapier, but driven by an AI that actually understands the why behind the task. For example, you can say, "Remind me to summarize my meetings every Friday afternoon. Generate a thumbnail idea every Tuesday for my YouTube channel. Check my uploaded sales spreadsheet and flag any trends each Monday." Once saved, o3 handles these like a digital assistant on autopilot. A major upgrade behind the scenes is ChatGPT o3's enhanced persistent memory. It doesn't just remember things in a single conversation. It actively retains preferences, context, tone, and habits over time. This means you don't have to keep repeating your name, business, or goals. It remembers your writing style, it knows what tools you've used before, it keeps track of previous tasks and builds upon them. This makes o3 feel less like a chatbot and more like an executive assistant who's worked with you for years. Another big leap forward is o3's ability to autonomously use tools within ChatGPT. These tools include web browsing, Python code execution, file analysis, image generation. Previously, you had to prompt GPT to use these or select them manually. Now o3 can decide when a tool is needed, use it in real time, and return the result, all without additional commands. Let's say you upload a CSV file with sales data and ask o3, "Is there anything unusual about last month's performance?" It can open the file, analyze the data using Python, and summarize the trends, all in one go. That's not just automation, that's AI-powered decision-making. Content creators, this one's for you. ChatGPT o3 can now automate the creation of visual assets, especially when paired with its image generation tools. For example, weekly social media quote posts, automated. YouTube thumbnail concepts, drafted and delivered. Product banner images, generated with your preferred style. Because o3 remembers how you like your design and can use tools like DALLE internally, it can maintain consistency, reduce back and forth, and help you scale content faster than ever. What all of this signals is a broader shift in how AI is being positioned. We're not just looking at smarter conversations. We're now entering the era of agentic AI. This means that the AI can set goals. It can break those goals into tasks. It can use the right tools at the right time. and it can learn from previous outcomes to improve future actions. That's not a chatbot. That's a co-pilot for your day-to-day life. It's no surprise that productivity YouTubers, coders, and marketers are now testing O3 as a replacement for several popular tools, from Trello and Notion to project management dashboards and virtual assistant services. Let's say you're a solo entrepreneur running an online business. Here's how O3 can streamline your week. Monday, summarize your top customer support tickets and create a response plan. Tuesday, generate a week's worth of Instagram posts and captions. Wednesday, review your uploaded analytics file and flag any anomalies. Thursday, draft your newsletter and schedule it for sending. Friday, summarize the week's goals and prep a priority list for next week. You never asked it twice. You didn't switch tools. You didn't waste time repeating steps. O3 just did it. The release of ChatGPT O3 isn't just an upgrade. It's a leap into hands-free productivity. For the first time, OpenAI's model is proactively managing tasks, remembering what matters, and operating as a true agent, not just a passive responder. This means a future where AI doesn't just help us work faster, it helps us think less about the work entirely. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, manager, student, or just someone looking to automate the boring stuff, ChatGPT O3 is worth exploring. Because when your AI assistant not only listens, but plans, executes, and evolves, that's not just productivity, that's power. Thanks for watching Reactive AI, where the future thinks out loud. If this video helped you stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next. Got questions, predictions, or wild theories? Drop them in the comments. We read everything. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, stay reactive.